Okay guys, we just finished the museum. We bought One Piece cards because with Anna we start a collection of cards. It's quite like a good area to do this opening, so we're gonna open our pack. I got this one and I got another one. So we're gonna see which card we got in it.
I see like a gold one in mine.
Jeez. That's crazy. Okay. What you got? Okay, your first one.
Second one.
Okay.
My third one. Oh, yo, the fourth one.
Bro got 0 points.
0. Big titties.
Shining.
Why have I got all the big titty ones?
Shining.
I can see a big shiny one coming up, look.
Ooh, shining. Yo, looking sick, man.
I hope so. This one's quite shiny as well, but this one's really weird.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all of them.
This one is quite good.
Yeah.
C'est fermé.
We should say we.
It's closed, guys.